Hi there guys, can you feel the vibe? It's absolutely electrifying atmosphere here in the Bajaj Akodi plant because the 2.5 series from Chetak has been launched. Now what do we get for the 2.5 series that has kick-started the year with a bang? It is something exciting, over the top, or it's something simple and practical? We're going to find out. As you can see here, so this is the actual Chetak 2.5 series. It's priced at 91,399. It has some design changes. As you can see, there's a horseshoe shaped headlamp with a LED DRL on top. It's a metal body construction. We have integrated turn blinkers, LED turn blinkers. It's a full metal body construction. It looks really well put together. Now these are 12-inch wheels, I believe. 80 by 90 12-inch alloy wheels. The attention to detail is really good. Always the design has been very seamless and very practical and very classy and elegant. You can see that the tail lamp really comes alive when it lights up. This is the ice cube tail lamp layout. So design looks very subtle, progressive, simple and elegant and classy all at the same time. So you can see here, this is the red color. It has this kind of a funky graffiti kind of a graphic right over here. So what is the battery pack? You have 2.5 kilowatt battery pack, NMC battery pack that offers IDC range of 113 kilometers. So 113 kilometers is the IDC range, so the true range will be somewhere around 80 or 85. You can see this is the twin shock absorber setup at the back, and this is all kind of plastic cladding right over here. You do have adequate amount of legroom, flat floorboard, scooped out front panels, C5250, C2501 badging right over there, front hook to hook on your bags and baggages, and you have proper LCD console. And but this is how it looks. It looks nice and handsome. The red color looks really premium. The paint quality is top notch. The forks, telescopic forks, are covered up. And overall, I think this is one of the classiest looking scooters in this segment. It has 25 liters of boot space when compared to 35 liters earlier. And so this is all about the design and the specs and the features. So so you can see there's no 0 to 40 claim, there's no top speed claim. They say it is primarily about doing the job, getting things done, being practical and usable on a day-to-day basis, and affordable. Service cost of maybe around 300 to 400 bucks for general service, which is too pocket friendly. And then of course the reliability of the Chetak, extremely lightweight. As you can see here, you have door pockets. Everything is seamless. The design language is very seamless because there's no exposed panel or any panel gap or anything. Everything is very meticulously crafted. So the monocoque chassis, and one of the most beautiful scooters, even become better now. The seat is slightly seat length has been increased further to make sure that the rider and pillion have adequate space. So if you can open, boot open there. So Vijay mana video తీస్తున్నాడు ఇక్కడ, as usual busy. And ఒక helmet వచ్చేస్తుంది ఆరా దీంట్లో. So I think one helmet can easily, you don't have a boot light here, no charging socket, nothing, but you can fit in a helmet, full size. And you have charging socket right over here. So this is the boot space that's available on our, and this is the front glove box that's available. You have dual glove box. You also have a front hook, and once you sit on the scooter, this is the startup. And you can see it's a pretty plain Jane LCD display. Battery 96% state of charge, and the range is 92. For 96%, the true range is around 92, so you can get an estimate. It's close to just around 90 kilometers or 95 kilometers to a 100% charge. Not too many gadgets or gizmos. You have the reverse button. I think here you have the different modes to choose from. We get to ride it tomorrow. As of now, this is a impactful launch, making it more accessible to the masses out there, because that's been the name of the game. The name of the game has been affordability and giving whatever they can at unbelievable affordable price. So you can see that okay, you can see that the atmosphere here is absolutely full of living the vibe and celebrating the vibe. So that is the actual essence of the launch of Chetak 25 series, to make it far more accessible and easily enjoyable by people of all age groups. So this is just a first look. I'll give you a detailed look at it later on. So things to learn from it: it's a 2.5 kilowatt hour NMC battery pack, 113 kilometers IDC range, so true range is somewhere around 90 or 85 to 90 or 85 to 95, and there's no top speed claim. Region, they say, works automatically. Body panels and the scooter looks absolutely drop dead gorgeous. You can see, and among the color schemes, you have to tell me which one looks the best. I feel the red one is the drop dead gorgeous variant. So priced at 91,399. It is an absolute steal deal, considering the kind of legacy it carries. What do you think? Feel free to comment below. Let me know. Did you expect more from the newly launched Chetak, or did you expect it to be simple and subtle and more accessible? Feel free to comment below. Let me know. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Until then, take care. God bless and ride safe.